Yeah, it's a bacon cheeseburger. Groundbreaking, right? But this particular burger, this burger was different, and I'm going to show you why. We have the delicious Prime Burger by Schweid & Sons. Let's get the tears out of the way with this red onion. Take a sip of some gin and tonic. Flip around the bacon a few times. I'm not cooking the burgers just yet. That's just for your viewing pleasure. Boil some eggs for your salad. First up, fancy side. Nope. It's Cracker Barrel oven-baked mac and cheese straight from the store. But I classed it up by adding extra shredded cheese. We have a salad going because balance, right? It has arugula, spinach plus avocado, sweet peppers, red onion, salt, pepper, and of course, fresh bacon bits. And then, the burger. Crispy bacon, juicy patty, soft, pillowy brioche bun. And why do I call it the Tuxedo Burger? Well, because of the black and white sesame seeds on top. That's it. That's the whole reason. So yeah, that's the Tuxedo Burger. Fancy name, simple food, zero culinary credentials. But hey, it was absolutely fantastic. So, let's make it. If you like random meal ideas, dogs silently judging, and me pretending I know what I'm doing in the kitchen, hit that subscribe button. I'm doing 2 easy meals a week. They might not change your life, but they might make meals a little less boring. Thanks for watching. Come back for more random, easy meals.